back to the front. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, all my Drew babes. That was coined by one of my friends, Lonnie. Shout out, Lon. Before I start this video, I also do want to give another shout out to my friend Rosie. Her Instagram is at nailsbyrosie_x. I'll be dropping the her Instagram right there. She sent me these custom nail sets right here. They are so gorgeous. I've been feeling my nice little femme fantasy with my nails on, especially in lockdown right now. We can't get to nail salons, so she was kind enough to give me 4 sets of press-on nails. She sends you everything with the buffer, the cuticle pusher, the glue, the nails. It's just all beautiful, and I love having my nails on. So if you see them, I have 4 different sets, so catch them when you can, but they are beautiful. So now with that being said, I'd like to get into today's video. Today's video is about how to make your home smell nice, and I have 5 different ways on how I make my home smell nice. Me and my husband are really obsessed with making everything smell good in the house. I love candles, I love scent, I love fresh, clean scents as well too. So we do a lot to make the house smell good. I love when people come over and they're like, oh my God, it smells so delicious in here, or it just smells really fresh and clean. For me personally, I love either a sweet smell like vanilla, or I love a very clean, fresh, like, smell. Ross is a little bit more on the floral scent and a little bit more on like the sweeter scent of like fruits. So, whereas I'm a little bit more sweet on like vanilla and like, you know, candy, and then fresh and linen and all that stuff. But genuinely, overall, we both have the same kind of sense of smell where we kind of like everything just to smell good, so it doesn't really matter. I'm a little bit more picky. Floral scents tend to like overwhelm the nostrils. Number 1 is I'm obsessed with candles. Like, candles are my life. I love candles. I'm obsessed with them, hands down. So I tend to put a candle in every room just to have. We do everything from big candles that are like that big to doing like teacup candles as well too. I'll also insert a video. We also have these really cute like gray teacup holder ones. We also have these like little lantern looking ones too. They're just good if you don't really want a huge candle going on, or you don't want like a big one being burnt and stuff like that, but you want like a nice subtle hint to your house of smell, or in certain rooms. Those are always really good. Sometimes if you light a big candle, it kind of travels throughout the house depending on how big your home is. Whereas the teacup ones, they kind of tend to just keep that room smelling really nice. So that's always really, really awesome to have around. We love candles. They're just great, simple ways of really enhancing the smell in your home. So yeah, that is number 1. Number 2 was actually suggested by my friend Alicia McCall. What's up, Alicia McCall? So Alicia actually told us about this, and I swear it is so amazing. I'm so glad she told us about this. So basically, it's this thing called Zaflora. Again, I'll insert it for you guys. So basically what you do is, Zaflora is like a cleaning thing, but what it has like scents to it, so you can get anything from linen and blueberry and floral, and they have a bunch of different scents and everything like that. So basically what you do is you want to get like, you can either fill up your sink, or you can do your basin, if you have like a plastic basin or a metal basin, whatever it is, and you want to pour in some of the Zaflora. Me and my husband end up doing like about 1 or 2 capfuls. Alicia does a whole bottle. That's a lot. But we do like a couple capfuls. Again, we're in an apartment, or flat, and so it fills up the whole house. Whereas Alicia, a home, like a 2-story home, so she does a full bottle and it works for her. I know that she does it in her sink, but for me personally, I like doing it in my plastic basin, because I can always take the basin out of the sink and put it off to the side while it's still like smelling well, and then do dishes. Whereas if you do it in your sink, you can't really do dishes, and you have to do it after everything, which, whatever's up to you. All right? Just in my opinion. IMO, in my humble opinion. So yeah, so basically what you do is you want to either fill up your kettle, or just if you have really hot water, put a couple capfuls or the full thing or half of it, whatever, experience it for you, experience how much you like smelling, but fill it up, hot water, or pour kettle boiling water over it, and just let the Zaflora like, I can smell it now. So basically what it does is when the hot water or the boiling water goes over it, it basically just steams, and that steam just goes throughout the whole home, and I'm telling you, it smells delicious. It can get quite overpowering. Sometimes I tend to like prop open a window, or I'll do it when I leave so that when I come back, the whole like place is smelling nice and settled. Sometimes it can get like really overpowering and can give you a nice little headache, but it is such a good way to like get a burst of smell throughout the house where like it just instantly smells better. Like, don't have to worry about the candles, you know, trying to get the smell out. Like the Zaflora, just like boom, scent. So just depending on whatever smell you like to go for, again, half a cup or half the bottle, or doing 2 caps or the full bottle, put that with boiling water or hot water, and then let that steam just go throughout the house. My one that I personally like that I've tried is the fresh linen, and it smells really good. Again, it can get quite overpowering, but it is so nice. I love smelling freshness, but yeah, again, great, perfect way for instant smell, instant like goodness throughout the home. So number 3 is plugins. These are really great ways to just always having a constant smell in the room. They're really easy and effective ways to just leave on while you're gone, or just like leave on when you're not in the room and stuff like that. They last quite long. I think we've had one and it's been going on for like 2 weeks now, just dependent on how long you use them for. But again, plugins are a great way to constantly have like a smell flowing throughout your room. They're not powerful enough to like smell up a couple rooms where it travels. It's just really good for that singular room. If you don't feel like burning candles or leaving candles on while you're gone, it's always really great to have plugins so that you have a scent going while you're away. So if you like coming back to your home smelling really nice, plugins are a great way. You can put multiple in different rooms. I know one for us, it works perfect for one room. And obviously, don't burn candles when you're not home. Bad if you do that. Okay, so plugins are a great way, or even the Zaflora are great ways to have smell going on when you're not home and you want to come to smelling a beautiful home. We love a good camera stop. Right. So let's just start off where I freaking got cut off. So as I was saying before my iPhone got real rude on me, let's recap. So we have candles, we have plugins, we have Zaflora. Number 4, if you have any scent that you really like, so say for instance like a perfume or cologne or like a cleaning agent or whatever it is, there's a scent that you really like and it's in liquid form, right? Okay, we get the point. What you're gonna do is you're gonna spray that onto a rag or like a paper towel or whatever you wanna do, works best for you. Wipe down your radiators. So this will be predominantly for my British people because you guys have radiators in your home. It's not really a thing. I mean, at least in California, we don't need heaters because it's already so fucking hot. So take your favorite like cologne or perfume or cleaning agent, spray it. If I do this one more time, right. So do that, and then what you want to do is wipe down your radiators with that, and what it does is when the heater goes on, it'll have that scent on it and it'll heat it up, and then that scent gets heated and it kind of just like, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, I was gonna say fumigate. It's going to just like get heated up and it'll disperse its scent. You know what I mean? This is a really, really clever way. Alicia told me this. Again, Alicia, me and her always chat about, because I'm a house husband, she's a housewife. We clean all the time. We wait for the husbands to come back and we're like, hey, what's up? Do you like it? It smells good in here. So she suggested to do this as well. So basically you wipe down your radiators with your favorite scent, turn on the heater, and then that will kind of heat up that smell, and then you can smell it, and it's so good. It's such a great way, again, just to get like a subtle scent going throughout the house, especially if like, you know, you don't like vanilla and you can't find a specific scent you like, but you do love like a cologne smell or a perfume smell, or you just like the smell of your cleaning stuff. Just put it on the radiator, and when it turns on, it will, I promise you, it will make your house smell so, so, so good. So number 5 is one that Ross actually found, and it was really, really cool, and we wanted to try it, and it works freaking perfectly. So what you want to do is you want to go to the store and you want to get unstoppable laundry like balls. So what you do is you take these balls and you put them into like a net that you have, like a sock net. And then what you do is you can like tie them tight, like whatever, and you can hang them up into your closet. Or say for instance, like you have like a shoe closet and it smells in there and you want to like make it smell better. So basically these laundry detergent balls, if I say balls one more time and laugh at it, you're more mature than this. So like I said, you're gonna take the bag and you wanna hang it up in your closet or with some clothes or like with shoes and stuff, and it will just really make your closet and stuff smell really, really nice, because they're just like detergent little things. So I'm not even gonna say balls anymore because I just can't. So they just like are fragrant, and like you just leave them in there and in a closed space and stuff like that. It just leaves all your clothes smelling really good. So not only does it make your closet smell good, but it also makes all your clothes and everything smell really, really good too. If you want your clothes to consistently smell like good and have a good fragrance to them, and they always smell freshly clean. So and especially if like you have your laundry bag in, you know, your closet, it's always good to have that in there too, because then it will really keep like the laundry smell, you know, staying low. So this is a really, really awesome idea to keep like your small utility closets, or, you know, your clothes closet or shoe closet smelling really, really, really nice. So these are my awesome 5 ways that me and Ross so these are the 5 ways that I keep my home smelling really, really good. I hope you guys enjoy them, and I hope you guys can take something from them. I know that like candles and plugins, they're so like, yeah, of course, Drew, we get it. But again, like I just wanted to tell you guys what we kind of do for our own home. We love candles. We love the plugins. We love the Zaflora. We love doing the radiator thing and the balls thing. So all those combined together, it leaves our home just smelling so clean and so fresh. And I genuinely love when people come over and they're like, wow, your place smells so good and is so clean. And I think that really contributes to just it smelling delightful and delicious in here. And I love that. And I hope you guys can all take that with you, and you can do what you want with it. Please comment down below some of your favorite things that you do. I love learning about new things with the house and how to clean and how to make it smell better and new ways. So if you guys like this, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. Please click that little bell. And please make sure to share our YouTube channel and get it out there. Me and Ross, we really do appreciate it. This is such a fun little project for us. We really do appreciate it. This is such a fun little project for us, and you know, between him coming on and just me, or maybe just him sometimes, probably not, but whatever it may be, we really do appreciate the support. We love like sitting down and talking about our lives and what we do, and it's just fun, and we're so excited to have our own place and to really share like how we do things, how we clean, how we decorate, and all that stuff. So again, If you guys have any ideas on how to make your home smell better, please drop it down in the comment section below. Let me know what you thought of my favorite 5 things that I do in my home. And yeah, so thank you, Drew Babes. I hope you all are doing amazing. We're so inching close to this lockdown being over, and we're all gonna get out, and we're all gonna have a good life. We're all getting there. So just continue to stay positive, and I hope these videos can help just bring a nice little smile to your face every once in a while when I post them. So again, love you all, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.